What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another edition of Friday Wrap Up with yours truly, Kevin Weedmark, where I just want to kind of bring us very quickly up to speed as we head into the weekend so that we're all on the same page, so that when we're doing open houses, we're taking clients out, talking to somebody while we're at a sale this weekend for Black Friday, we can have a good conversation of what's going on in the marketplace. So really quick, the biggest thing and the biggest message is this. There's two things. Number one, optimism is back, right? Post-election, we're seeing a lot more activity. We're seeing people feel a lot better just about what direction the overall economy is headed. Consumer confidence was through the roof, right? Blew away expectations this week. So it looks like all those things are moving in the right direction, which is great. The second thing that I think was really glaring this week is all data sets really came in where they were expected. So what's happening is we're getting into a little bit of normalcy, right? We're getting into a little bit of routine. We're not seeing huge spikes in interest rates. We're not seeing crazy data sets all over the place. The one thing that we did see was new home sales really missed their number. That was a big miss. It looks like maybe the consumer is getting a little bit tired of the incentives, and what they're going to be doing is really looking at existing home sales, right? That beat their number, which was significant. People now getting a little bit more back into location as they're feeling a little bit better about where the real estate market is headed. So those are really the two biggest things. I mean, the other thing that I would note is that inflation seems to be a little bit persistent, right? The core PCE number came in exactly where it was at 2.8%, or where it was anticipated. It is clearly above what the Fed's number is. So right now, honestly, I think you got a coin flip for the December 18th meeting, and a lot is going to come out this coming week. We had the slow week with the holiday. I think there was a lot, it was a little bit slower, a lot less dollars were in play as a lot of people were out of town celebrating. So as we come back into this week, I expect a lot more volatility. And I also anticipate with the non-farm payrolls number coming up on Friday next week, that we're going to experience that throughout the week. So that's the big message point. But again, I would stress with your clients and with the people you're talking to and the people that you're trying to line up for next year, they need to get it ahead of the curve now. Waiting until January, February, when you think you're going to be ready, right now is a great time to be working on your credit scores. Right now is a great time to be working on any of those repairs that might be necessary, because with optimism, more people are going to do home projects, which means something that you need to take care of. If you're thinking about listing your home or whatever the case may be, you need to get that going now. That can't wait until then, and it's not going to be a last minute thing. Somebody's not going to be able to just drop what they're doing and rush over to your place and get it done because you want to list your home. Think about those things now. Those should be the message that we're really conveying to our clients. Optimism, be ready, get your stuff in order, get your credit score in order. And again, it seems as if, right, we also had the Middle East. We had the conflict between Israel and Hamas. That actually got a ceasefire. So there was a lot of good things, a little bit more stabilizing this week, and that was the biggest message. All right, y'all, have a great weekend. You need anything, text, phone, call, email. I am working throughout the entire weekend. Pre-approval, run numbers, flyers, whatever you need, I'm around. I'll look forward to hearing from you. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you on Monday with the weekly wrap. See ya.